Okay, so pardon the crazy hair, but recently I have been getting really into rocks and minerals and crystals. And it started with this book, and it's just been a lot of fun to learn about, and I've actually found it to be really helpful. Navigating like postpartum mood swings and rage even was made a lot easier with the help of certain crystals, like rose quartz, for example. So it's been a really fascinating study for me. I've also read through the Smithsonian Rocks and Minerals book. I actually started with a subscription service. Um, yeah, it was a total scam. And I got a stone, but it was a whole thing, and maybe I will rant about that in another video. But I remembered then what company could I trust to not be a scam, and I remembered that my friend actually has a company that sells some rocks and crystals, and so I was super excited to be able to support them and try some out that I knew wasn't a scam and that I could trust. So we're doing a little unboxing today of those crystals that I was able to get, and it is completely unsponsored, but he did offer a code for you guys when he sent it to me. So he didn't tell me he was going to do this, but you guys get 10% off if you go check them out and buy something and use the code DoveLoveMoon. So that was super exciting, and thank you so much to Practically Potion for doing that for you guys, and also for these amazing crystals. So I keep touching this because this is stunning. Here with the family doing an unboxing for Practically Potion. And I was so excited to open it that I literally just tore through the box.
Was that right?
This is a friend of mine's company, and my kid really likes the packing peanuts. It was packaged really well.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Open that?
Yeah, open that. What's in there, Bubba?
No. No.
Ooh.
We do.
Ooh. Ooh. It's not food, baby. A big serpentine leaf. This is really nice. How's it taste? Yummy.
Okay.
Hey, let me see it. That's really beautiful. Bigger than I thought.
Do that.
Beautiful. Yeah, you can see that. And in here, a really beautiful necklace. Oh, it's so sparkly.
The body.
Yeah. Can you see Bubba? Nope. Okay. He loves it. You want to wear it? Yeah. Really quick. Let's look here. One of the things I took notes on as to wanting to wear around my neck was this. And he just happened to have a necklace made out of blue apatite. So that's what this is. And I just can't get over how absolutely beautiful and how much it like sparkles. I was not expecting that. It's really beautiful, really simple chain. Love it. Currently sold out, but there's a lot of really fun, interesting things on there. Many pieces are completely unique, and so that was very exciting to be able to see the unique pieces that he has there on Practically Potion. Really beautiful. I love how the way these are faceted, it just catches the light and sparkles. Beautiful. And the last piece I got was this amazing tower. Oh, wow. I just love the kind of slight pink to this. Yeah, this is an incredible piece. Touch gently, Bubba. Wow, that's so cool. It goes all the way down in there. Yeah, this was just so beautiful. I couldn't pass this up. I love the geode pocket in this, obviously, and this is just such a beautiful little tower. Oh, there's like another one down there. Wow, what a cool piece. It's beautiful chalcedony with a little bit of a pink tinge to it. So sparkly. I absolutely love it. If anyone would like to check out Practically Potion, again, it's a friend of mine, and they have given a coupon for Dove Love Moon for 10% off. If you use that code there, Dove Love Moon. Thank you so much, Dev, and I absolutely love my new package and my new crystals. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing. And yeah, I love this. I love all the crystals that I got. I think they're really stunning, and I honestly, I can't wait until when I can order some more. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.